Can humans be trusted with control over genetics? Imagine a world where the blueprint of life itself is no longer bound by nature's slow, patient hand, but rests instead in ours, where every gene can be edited, reshaped, and rewritten with surgical precision. It begins with promise, the ability to erase diseases, strengthen immune systems, and perhaps extend the human lifespan beyond imagination. But with each strand of DNA rewritten comes a choice: what traits to keep, what flaws to erase, and what new powers to create. History warns us of our fragile balance with power. Nuclear energy, born with the promise of limitless progress, also gave birth to weapons of mass destruction. Could the same fate await genetic mastery? If parents can design children with heightened intelligence, beauty, or physical strength, society risks fracturing into those who can afford perfection and those left behind in the shadow of engineered evolution. Step by step, the consequences ripple outward. Governments weaponizing genetics to build soldiers immune to fear, corporations patenting life itself, and ecosystems destabilized by engineered species that outcompete the natural. The cause and effect chain is clear. What starts as healing could end in dominance, inequality, and irreversible change to the human story. Yet the temptation is powerful, because unlike any technology before, this is not a machine we control from the outside. It is a direct rewrite of who we are at the core. The question then becomes less about what we can do and more about whether our moral compass, scarred by centuries of ambition and error, can guide us through. Perhaps the greatest test of humanity will not be reaching for the code of life, but knowing when to stop. So, can we truly be trusted with the power to rewrite ourselves? Or will the future look back on this moment as the beginning of our greatest downfall? And if not genetics, what other force of nature will we try to master? Next.